And VSCO girls love them. They like snapping pictures on with like this. They like editing the pictures. They like wearing them out to be aesthetic. They're like using them so they have something to support their feet too. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn and welcome back to another Jordyn video. So for today's video, I'm doing a VSCO girl gift guide for parents that don't know what to get their daughter. That's a VSCO girl. For friends that don't know what to get their friend. And for you to get ideas on what to ask for Christmas. Girls that are into like the VSCO girl aesthetic, or girls that want to get into the VSCO girl aesthetic, and if you like it. So it's mostly just things VSCO girls have, or anything a VSCO girl wants or likes. So let's get into it. So the first thing is Hydro Flask. I think Hydro Flask is the first thing because that's really what comes to my mind when I think of a VSCO girl. Don't really get any other Hydro Flask or any other water bottle. Yeah, they do the same thing, but VSCO girls really love Hydro Flask, and they use it in like their outfits and pictures and to drink water, which then you pour. Get a pretty color or a color that you know they like, or you can get white so they can customize it however they want. Next on the list that goes along with Hydro Flask, you want to get craft paint or stickers. You want to get craft paint if you know someone likes to craft, like if you get them a white Hydro Flask, but they can really craft on any color. And you also want to get some stickers because they can decorate their Hydro Flask with stickers if they don't really want to paint it, but they want to stick some things on it. Also make sure to get, you know, some aesthetic stickers or like pretty stickers of things they like and stuff like that. You can get craft paint and really aesthetic stickers on Amazon. In the Amazon today of our wild forest adventure, we spot some craft paint in the distance. Next on our list is a scrunchies, as I have right here, for example. There's a lot of type of scrunchies. There's some like velvet scrunchies, there's silk scrunchies, there's scrunchies with patterns on them, glitter scrunchies, flip sequence scrunchies, really any type of scrunchie in the world. I feel like if you think of it, it's probably out there. VSCO girls love scrunchies, so you can't really go wrong with getting them scrunchies. You can really get them anywhere. I've seen a lot of cute ones at Claire's. Next, Birkenstocks. Whoa. So Birkenstocks are super cute and they're just like slide on. They're really good for the summer. I don't know about the winter unless you wear them with socks because your feet are exposed and your feet can get cold. But they are really perfect when it's during the hot seasons, and VSCO girls love them. They like snapping pictures on with like this. They like editing the pictures. They like wearing them out to be aesthetic. They're like using them so they have something to support their feet too. Next we have a facial spray, but not just any facial spray. We have, let me see what it's called, Mario Bagusco. I think that's how you say it. But they love that facial spray, especially like the pink one and the green one. I'll insert clips right here. Think that they like it because it feels good and it makes them smell good and it makes them have pretty glistening skin. Next on our list we have Vans. So a lot of VSCO girls just like the black and white checkered slip-on Vans, and they like those a lot. That's like what every VSCO girl really has. But if you know that your friend or somebody likes another color better than black or white, try to hint at them like, hey, what do you like these Vans? I don't know about them. And then like they'll give you an option. I don't know. I'm getting off topic, but they really like the slip-on Vans, and you can, there's really any color of checkered Vans. They got rainbow, pink, purple, really every color. So you can get them their favorite color or just black or white if you really don't know them that well. But if you're getting someone Vans, I feel like you should know them well because they are expensive. Yeah. Next we have oversized t-shirts. And a lot of VSCO girls really love oversized t-shirts because they like to put like Nike shorts underneath, so that's something you could also get, but not like, you don't have to. But they like the long and flowy feeling, and they go like this. Or they pose with them. It's really cute. To be honest, I kind of like the oversized t-shirt a little bit. It's pretty cute. You can literally get oversized t-shirts anywhere you want to. Get them at Target, Walmart, really anywhere if you just look for an extra size. Next, Carmex or Burt's Bees chapstick. You love me. Carmex is really good because it makes your lips feel moisturized, and a lot of VSCO girls love it, like to hang it on their backpack because some can, I think. And Burt's Bees is also really good because it's aesthetic, it smells good. A lot of VSCO girls love it because it looks really cool, and it also moisturizes your lips too, but like that's not the main thing. Next is Crocs. So Crocs are kind of like the Birkenstocks, and a lot of VSCO girls like Crocs because they are comfortable, they're soft to wear, and you can slip them on just like the Birkenstocks. So you can get one or the other, or if you want to, you can get both for your little VSCO girl. Next, we have friendship bracelet kits or just friendship bracelets. You can buy friendship bracelets that are pre-made already, or you can buy a kit so where they can make friendship bracelets themselves because it is a fun craft to do, and they like it because it looks really pretty, and they can make it for their friends so they can be matchy-matchy with their Birkenstocks on too. Metal straws. Metal straws are a big thing because you gotta save the turtles. So metal straws go perfect with their hydro flask or perfect with their Starbucks cup. Whatever they really use it for, it's a really good gift because they really seem to like metal straws. A Vegetarian backpack. This backpack, whatever it's called, I don't know how to say it. But that backpack is super cute, and why just get a regular made backpack or regular school backpack when you can be VSCO? All the VSCO girls have this backpack, and it kind of is handy because you hold it like this, or you can put it like a regular backpack. Next, we have a Polaroid camera or an Instax. I think they're kind of the same thingish. And the VSCO girls love this to take really cute photos of them and their friends or scenery, and they're really cute just to have and take photos of anything really. So they can also make a picture wall with those Polaroid pictures because a lot of VSCO girls like to make the picture wall where they put pictures on their wall. After that, we have a shell necklace. VSCO girls love the shell necklace because their aesthetic is kind of like beachy kind of, I think, and their polka shell necklace is really cute. They're also necklace and an anklet that like it's a pair. You can get the polka shell necklace and anklet from Amazon, and yeah, they really do love polka shell necklaces. Fairy lights. Next is fairy lights. VSCO girls really love fairy lights. They like to put them on their wall, where their picture wall is. They like to hang them on their mirror. They like to put everywhere. They love fairy lights. So fairy lights is a necessity. I have gotten fairy lights from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and you can really get them anywhere. Up next on our list is Coil hair ties. Coil hair ties are kind of like scrunchies. They can put them on their wrist and it looks really cute, and they can also put them in their hair, and they put the coil hair ties in their hair more than they do their scrunchies, so it would be really good for them to have both. And next is mom jeans. As I said before, VSCO girls really like the long t-shirt outfit, but they also like the mom jeans outfit. So they like to have oversized like mom jeans with maybe like a tight shirt or something. But mom jeans are really good for when they're going out and they can't just wear long shorts or long shirts everywhere. You can get mom jeans or boyfriend jeans anywhere, I get mine from Forever 21. And that is our whole list for today. This list is for people that just don't know what to get their VSCO girlfriend or child, or if you want to know what to get, what to ask for Christmas. There's way more you can get, but these are just the basic VSCO girl things that they are sure to love. I hope you guys like these gift guide videos. I'm going to be doing more because they're like inspiration and for parents to know what to get, for friends, for you, and I think they're really fun to make too. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Love you!